How I convinced my balding husband to shave with this super safe shaver for Father's Day. My husband's been so nervous to start shaving his balding hairline. He's seen the horror stories, the nicks, the bleeding, and irritation, you name it. But this Father's Day, I decided it was time for a change. I found Freebird's electric head shaver. What caught my eye was the scalp-safe technology, perfect for someone who wants to avoid painful head shaves at all costs. And I saw that they had a 60-day trial with money-back guarantee, so if he didn't love it, we could just simply send it back. But the moment he tried it, his skepticism vanished. The ease of use, the comfort of a shave without any cuts or razor burns, it was all too clear. Couldn't believe what he'd been missing out on. And he looked so much better. For all the wives who know that their husbands would look better bald, please let them try Freebirds for themselves. Get yours for 60% off, and yes, the 60-day trial is still going on now.